What is it?
Veet electric hair trimmer.
Okay, wait. So... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look as crusty as Mr. Krabs right now, but there is a method to this madness. I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows at home for those times when you're a bit too lazy to go get them threaded or waxed. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows at home, please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a video. And welcome to the Sela Bellas family. We'll be using this nifty little tool called the Veet electric hair trimmer. And what it comes with is this cute little attachment that we'll be using for our eyebrows. And then it also comes with other pieces that you can use to trim other areas. So it's got this bigger attachment to trim larger areas. And it's got a cap to put on, and then it's got this that clips onto this for longer hair, and then it also comes with a little brush to clean it out when you're done. So now I'm going to zoom you in super close to my eyebrows so you can see how I get these eyebrows on fleek that are not really on fleek right now. So to begin, we're just going to be mapping out the shape of the eyebrow, and I'm just using this LA Girl Line Art matte eyeliner to get the shape of the brow. And how it usually works is your eyebrow starts at the end of your nose and then like a 45-degree angle, and that's where it needs to end. And then your arch is kind of like in the middle of your pupil, like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that out so we know exactly where we're going to need to neaten up. And then once you have all your lines, I'm just going to go ahead and connect the dots so I know the width that I want my eyebrow to be. Obviously I know that everyone has their own way of doing eyebrows, but this is how I do mine and I find it the easy. Take some clear mascara and brush up the little hairs on our brows, not so little right now. And it's fine if you like over exaggerate them because that's kind of what we want. Super brushed up. You're gonna take little manicure scissors and just trim those hairs that are sticking up, just to get them a bit more shorter and manageable. Now my eyebrows are really thick and heavy like my hair, so it always falls. So as you can see, there's a lot of hair that came down, but I just trim a little bit off, not the entire thing, because then it's going to look too bald, and no one wants bald eyebrows. Eyebrows are looking like a hot mess. We're going to move on to tweezing the bottom. I like to use a tweezer for the bottom part of my eyebrow because I can just get it more precise and cleaner. And there's a lot more hairs on the bottom than there is on the top. So I'm just going to start tweezing right now. And just remember, you want to go slow and take some breaks to look at the shape that you're creating. You don't want to just go crazy and then you end up with comma brows. That's not attractive anymore. Okay, so as you can see by the lines that are still left on my eyebrows, I only use the tweezers for underneath my arches. Everything else we will be using this cute little tool because it just has the right angles. And be very, very careful when you use this because I don't know if you can see, well, it's grown out now. There was a little bald spot there because I went a bit too happy. So there is a smaller side and a larger side, and we're going to start with the larger side for the top of our eyebrows. And you're just gonna clean up that line that you created. And if you're like me and you really like that point, this straight edge is really gonna help you a lot. Once your eyebrows are done, and if you're happy with the way they look, which I am, we're gonna start filling them in with our Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade number 5. I haven't really seen a lot of people do this, but if you can see my face, there's a lot of different colors, and that usually happens with people of color. So to me, it just looks really, really weird when you're using the same color concealer under your eyebrows as you are on top. I feel like a teacher. So anyway, because the underneath here is lighter than the top of my face, what I usually do is I use a lighter color concealer underneath and a darker one on top, just a shade darker. But because I'm in between my house and Trevino's house, there's a lot of things that I didn't bring to his house that's at my house. So what I do have now is my foundation for the top of my eyebrows and concealer for the bottom. Lightly going slightly underneath it, because we don't want to take off too much of that color, and then just back in with the same brush and kind of dragging it upwards towards the hair. Calm. And I like to drag it, whatever's left, onto my eyelid to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. Just a reminder that January is my birthday month, and I won't only be uploading on Fridays as usual. From the 2nd of Jan until the 26th of Jan, I will be uploading every single Tuesday and every Friday. Woohoo! And then this is the part where you can again just take some clear mascara and set your eyebrows, but mine still has some on from the previous step. So there you have it, guys. This is how I do my eyebrows at home for when I'm super lazy or waiting for something to grow out. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to be notified whenever I upload videos, and join the Selina's family.